How to add admin on Facebook page. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head towards the menu page. Now at the top you'll see 3 dots, tap on it. Now switch to your Facebook page. After you switch to the Facebook page, again head towards the menu page. Now over here you will find different options. Go to the option Professional Dashboard, open it. Now over here you will find different sections. Scroll down. Under Tools you will find the option of Page Access, open this option. Now over here you will find 3 options: people with Facebook access, people with tax access, and business accounts with access. In order to add admin on Facebook page, you have to select the very first one option, people with Facebook access, tap on Add New. Facebook access means any actions you take as the space, including when you check into a location, may be visible to anyone else who manages it. Anyone else with Facebook access will share the page experience, including news feeds and notifications for this page. Tap on Next. Now type in the name of the person whom you want to add as the admin. Tap on it. Now this person will be able to manage content, messages, community activity, ads, insights. If you want to allow this person to have full access, toggle on for this option. Tap on Give Access. For security, you have to enter your password. Tap on Confirm. Invitation has been sent to this person. After this person accepts your invitation, this person will be added as an admin on your Facebook page. So this is how you can easily add admin on Facebook page. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.